Bukas ang Malacanang sa panukalang pagbabago sa income tax rates. Sinabi ito ni Presidential Communications Secretary Sunny Coloma kaugnay ng sinusulong na pagbabawas sa income tax return ng mga ordinaryong empleyado. Giit ni Coloma, handa na makipagtulungan sa Kongreso hinggil dito. Nauna nang pinahayag ng Department of Finance ang pagkakaroon ng comprehensive review sa taxation system para sa paglalatag ng kaukulang reforma. Mahalagaan niya na matukoy ang iba pang pagkukuna ng kita ng buwis para tugunan ang planong pagbabawas sa income tax return sa pangkaraniwang manggagawa.
The government is open to consider proposals on changing income tax rates and continues to work with Congress on this matter. The Department of Finance is advocating a comprehensive review of the existing taxation system so that needed reforms may be instituted, and it is also important to identify new and additional sources of tax revenues that will offset any reduction in income taxes. I also quoted Secretary Purisiba, who said the DOF prefers a holistic review of the tax structure so as not to put our fiscal gains and fiscal health at risk.